Welcome to the channel It's Easy. I am Asutosh Chandra. In this video, I am present with a cloze test which is important for the upcoming bank exams. A cloze test is a test not only of your vocabulary but also of the language comprehension ability. And through a cloze test, your grammatical skill is also tested. So let's begin with the question. On the screen, as you can see, there is a small paragraph which contains 7 blank spaces numbered 1 from 7. Each of the blank space needs to be filled with appropriate answer. The answer that will appear on your screen and that is colored in, and that is white color with white color background. Okay, so let's begin with the paragraph. The weaker sections of the rural population are mostly from the socially and economically backward, and there's a first blank space, sections of the village community. This first blank space needs to be filled with appropriate word. 1 minute. No. So what the strategy and what the concept we will apply here to solve this question is, there is a connector that is and is joining both the words backward and the word coming after it that has to be filled. So what the concept we can apply here? Remember one thing, when we join two words using connector and, both the words must be of the equivalent level and both the words should be same directional words. It means if this word is in a negative word, the word coming after and will also be a negative one. Or if this word is positive one, the word coming after and will be also of the same nature. Or they must be the same directional word. It means they must match with each other in terms of their nature. Okay, so deciding on this word, what should be the exact answer, let's move to the option. These are the options on your screen for the first option. We have to pick up a word from among the given 5 words. These are the words from which you have to pick up the appropriate word. As I already told you, remember, both the words should be of the same nature, both the words should be same directional words. So here backward is negative word, so we will definitely look for the negative words because it is the nature, it is the tendency of and that it joins such kind of words which are of the same nature or which are of the equivalent level. So here depressed is a negative word. We will consider over it. Different, it's out of context, it seems to be the irrelevant word, so I will rule out it. But these 3 words, rich, privileged and forward, these are the words that are same directional words and that are of same nature. These words are, all the words are positive in nature. So I think none of these 3 words will come here, over here. So I will definitely rule out these words also. What is the meaning? If you talk about the meaning of the word privileged, what is the meaning of privilege? It means having a special right, that is privileged. Of course, rich means wealthy, someone with a lot of riches or wealth. Forward, it's again positive words. So none of these 3 words will come at this place. The only word that we are left with is depressed. Definitely I will go for this option. Section of the backward and depressed sections of the village community. Because of there is a blank and financial difficulty, they are not readily dashed to change their work habits. So again consider over here which word will come at number 2. Again the same concept and the same method will be applicable here. Here again connector is and we need a word that will be of the equivalent level as financial difficulty is, or the word that will be of the same nature, whether it is positive or negative word. Again, this is a negative word, financial difficulty. So the word that will be joined using connector and will be of the same nature. It means a negative word will come here also. So what are the words that we can consider? Ability, it's a neutral word. It is neither negative word, neither positive word. If somebody is positively able, that will be called capable, or if somebody is enable, that will be enable. So this is a neutral word, but here we need a negative word. So I will rule out this option also. Dependence and dependency both are the nouns, and but dependence, the word which is given here, we have to consider this only, not dependency. Dependence is often or usually followed by preposition on or upon, which is not present here. So we cannot consider it, because if dependence is followed by, it is not always necessary, but most of the time dependence is followed by on or upon preposition, then it gives a complete meaning. So here we don't see like this anything. So I will definitely rule out, and this does not seem to be appropriate answer for this place. Next is illiteracy. Definitely it is a negative word. So I will wait for, I will go for this answer, but wait till we consider all the options. So illiteracy, it means inability to read, inability to write. That is called illiteracy. So it's of course a negative word, and it seems to be the appropriate answer, which can go with financial difficulty. So we will consider this option later on. But before jumping to any conclusion, let's consider other examples also. Number and majority. These two words looks irrelevant and out of the context. So the last word and the only word that we are left with, not last word, the only word that we are left with is illiteracy. So I will definitely go for this option. Because of their illiteracy and financial difficulty, they are not readily to change their work habit. Readily means quickly. Readily means quickly or without any difficulty. So they are not. Again, here the word not, it will play a vital role, a very important role in deciding the meaning of the sentence. They are not readily. It means they are not ready to change their work habit. If we skip this part and try to comprehend the meaning of the sentence, they are not ready to change their work habits. So definitely the option that we will consider here, that will be something that will be of positive nature, because they are, since from beginning till now, we have seen that the people, they are economically backward, and they are financially poor, and they are illiterate. So definitely they are not ready to make any kind of positive change. The conclusion that we can conclude is that we can draw is that they are the people, they will not be able to or they will not be willing, or they will not want to change their traditional working habit. So definitely the word that will come here, that will be a kind of positive word because of this not. So let's move to the options. The options are discarding. They are not, read it again, they are not ready to discard to change. No, they are ready to discard to change. They will not want any kind of change. Discard means to get rid of something. If you don't want anything anymore, that thing is discarded. It means you get rid of that thing. So this word will not come here. Feeling, they are not ready to readily feeling to change. It's irrelevant word. Bending, again irrelevant word. Undertaking has got two meanings. One meaning is venture. You must have heard the word public sector undertaking. So the word, another meaning is to promise or to make promise or agreement to do something. So this is definitely out of context. We cannot consider this option also. The only word we are left with is willing, and this word will be, of course, suitable for this option. So the option, to read it again, read the sentence again. They are not ready. They are not readily willing. They are not readily willing to change their work habits and adopt modern technology. Definitely willing means wanting. They are not readily willing to change their work habits and adopt modern technology. Now moving to the next sentence. Yes, you are about the traditional methods. Look, what the options, what the word, which word strikes your mind when you read this sentence? sure about the traditional methods. It means definitely the villagers who is being talked about in the entire paragraph, they are sure about the traditional method. So what could be the possible answer? Making sure. It is not about making sure because it's about villagers and there is no need of any kind of object. We make someone sure, we make someone able, we make someone something do. So this option is not needed here because there is no object and subject according to the context and the meaning of the paragraph. The villagers are the subject. So making sure about making sure to someone, making someone sure, it is not giving any kind of meaning. And making sure about the traditional method to someone, it's not again giving the meaning. Use word in every possible manner. Making sure about something or making somebody sure about something. In none of the case, this option is matching. So definitely I will not go for this option. Having sure about, having is often followed by third form of the verb. Having gone, having been said, like this, but none of the there is no any word coming before sure. So this option will also not be suitable. Quite sure, okay, being sure, not sure about the traditional. They are sure about the traditional method. They are so saying not sure about the traditional method. It will not be appropriate to say. So this option will also not be there. So there are only two options we are left with. One is quite and other is being. So I will go for this option, being sure about the traditional methods. They are dash to take to dash equipment and techniques which require some time to get accustomed for dash work. So being sure about the traditional method, they are dash to take to. What is the meaning here of take to? Take to means start doing something or using something. So if you try to comprehend the meaning, it means they are dash to take. It means either they are willing to take, either they are not willing to take. The only two words that are coming to my mind, either they are willing to take or they are not willing to take. If something that is of positive nature, they will not be willing to take. If something is of negative nature, they will be willing to take, because since the beginning till now we have comprehended the paragraph in this way. So they are, now look at the option, they are forced, they are reluctant. This is a very appropriate answer. Reluctant means unwilling, not willing to do something, not wanting something. That is called reluctant. It means you are indifferent, not indifferent, you are reluctant. It means you do not want anything, you don't want to do anything, you don't it means you are hesitant or unwilling to do something. That's why you are called reluctant. Bound, the same meaning as giving the forced and bound, both are giving the similar meaning. Prepared, curious, and this is a positive word. They are curious to take to. No, they are not curious. If any positive word will come here, so they will not be curious to know about that. They are prepared to take. No, they are not prepared to take, because if the word will be positive here, it all depends upon which word is placed here. That will decide the fate of this fifth number option. So either they are forced and bound, both are giving the same meaning. They are reluctant. Let me consider this option. They are reluctant to, they are unwilling to take to. It means they are unwilling to start using dash equipment. If I pick the word traditional, so they are already using traditional equipment. This option is not appropriate. Farming equipment, it's not about farming equipment. It's about equipment, either modern equipment, technology, or traditional technology. So I think they are already using traditional. So this option will not go there. Improved, powerful, these are the positive words. These options can be considered. Old, no, traditional and old, both are giving the same meaning. So I rule out this option also. Now we are left with two options: improved, powerful. So they are reluctant. They do not want. They are reluctant to take to. It means they are reluctant to start using improved equipment. This is the meaning I could comprehend. They are reluctant to start using the equipment that is modern or improved in quality and techniques which require some time to get accustomed for test work. It means after adopting to the new technology, new equipment, they will need some time to get accustomed for to get the best use of those equipment and techniques. So what the word that strikes to my mind is that is effective, because after adopting new equipment and new technology, someone must be able to use those technology and equipment properly, and it will take some time to get accustomed for using up to the best level. So someone must be very efficient, and it will take some time. So the option that I will go with is option number E, effective. So moving on to the next slide. After holding a number of group meetings with rural people, dash to different vocations and spread over the entire country. 1 minute. After holding a number of group meetings with rural people, dash to. Now this word to, it also is a very important clue for us. All the words are not followed by the preposition to. Different words are followed at times. They are followed by different types of preposition. Accrue. What is the meaning of accrue? If you look here, it does not fit here, because it means to accumulate, to collect, to accumulate something. After holding a number of group meetings with rural people, accrue to. No, this is not giving any appropriate meaning. So I will not go for this. It is not accumulating anything. The single word that strikes my mind is belonging. With rural people, belonging to different vocations. Vocations means the type of job that you are doing, and spread over the entire country. It's again irrelevant word. Enabling to different. It is not going there. It's not suitable, because enable somebody, it is not followed by any kind of preposition. Enabling somebody in between do not need. It does not need any kind of preposition after it to take an object. It's directly followed by object. Referring to, definitely refer is followed by to, but here it's not giving any appropriate meaning. People belonging to different vocations and spread over the entire country. We can safely say that persons in the villages are not eager for training, capable for training, indifferent for training to improve upon their traditional and hereditary. Antagonist. Antagonist means someone who is opponent, who strongly opposes something, that is called antagonist. So definitely antagonist, they will be antagonist to any kind of changes, any kind of modern or positive changes. So let's read it again. We can belonging to different vocations and spread over the entire country, we can safely say that persons in the village are not willing or not eager or not ready for training to improve upon their traditional and hereditary method of working. These are the words that comes to my mind. Now let me relate these words that occurred to me to the options given. Persons in the village are not eager. We can go for this also. Capable are not capable for training. No. Indifferent. Indifferent means someone who is not interested in anything. So if you say they are not indifferent, it means they are interested. but the fact is people are not interested. So this option will also not go there. Antagonist, they are not antagonist for training. Antagonist, not antagonist, it means they are pro training. No, they are not pro training. They are not ready to adopt, they are not ready to make any kind of changes in their traditional method. So this word also, because two negative, this negative and this negative makes the sentence positive. So this will also not be the option answer. They are not unwilling. They are not unwilling means they are willing. This is a negative word, and again here is a negative word. Both the negative makes the sentence positive. So they are not unwilling for training. No, they are unwilling for training. If there had been no not, then we would have considered this option also. So this option will also not be there. The only option we are left with is eager. Eager for training to improve upon their traditional and hereditary ways of working. It means hereditary method of working, hereditary style of working, hereditary techniques of working. So these are among given these options. From among these options, what the options that I can pick up is techniques, because these are not suitable. They are theories, desires, hours, or policies. So thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.